Friends, welcome to online class. Now, today we are going to discuss the poem called The Quarrel. Quarrel means, fighting. So, here the poet mentions about the fighting between brother and sister. Before going into the poem, let us know about some details about the poet. The Quarrel poem was written by Eleanor Furgeon. Eleanor Furgeon, she was born on February 13th, 1881, and she was died on June 5th, 1965 in Hampstead, London. So Eleanor Furgeon, she was a British writer, English writer for children whose magical but unsentimental tales. She wrote many unsentimental tales. Tales means stories which often mock the behavior of adults, earned her a revered place in many British nurseries. Her success with Nursery Rhymes of London Town, in which was written on 1916. Simple tunes originally for adults but adapted and sung in junior schools throughout England. So majorly she was familiar and her success began with Nursery Rhymes of London Town. Actually, she wrote originally it was written for adults but adapted and sung throughout the London, England schools. In addition to such favorites as Martin Pippin in the Apple Orchard and the title book room. These are the two writings. For these two writings, she won the Carnegie, Carnegie Medal and the first Hans Christian Andersen Award. So, she wrote many writings, majorly the two writings, Martin Pippin in the Apple Orchard and the Little Book Room. For these two writings, she won prestigious awards in England. First one is a Carnegie Medal and the first Hans Christian Andersen Award. Furgeon's prolific writings include children's educational books, majorly if we once we look at this means majorly we come to know that she was concentrated more and more on children books, among them Kings and Queens, which was written on 1932 with Herbert Furgeon. So these are the familiar books of Eleanor Furgeon. Our poem The Quarrel, also written by Eleanor Furgeon. So this is our poem, The Quarrel. Quarrel between whom? Two siblings, one brother and sister. When you have any siblings, then you come to understand this poem that some silly fights will happen between us for silly reasons. Finally, it may become a big, the situation will become like a storm, isn't it, ma? So generally brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. Of course, it was quite common in each and every home. Quarreling is quite common between brother and sister. It is very common situation in each and every home. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Of course, if we have a brother or if you have a sister means we need any reason to fight with your brother. You need any reason to fight with your sister? Not at all. You'll remember past things also which was happened 1 year back or 10 days back or 2 years back. That particularly you bet me, or that particularly you insulted me. In that way, they'll bring who are interested to fight, they'll bring all the situations and they'll start fighting. There is no need to have a good reason for fighting. Their quarrels begin over small petty issues and how with a small kind act the quarrels end. So every quarrel between the siblings, it will begin with a very small and petty issues, but it ends in a small kind of act. It is very mystical and beautiful. So let's read this poem to feel the same. Of course, this is the situation. Those who have siblings or those who have cousins, definitely they are going to connect to this poem every day, minimum every day. Of course, in this lockdown you will spend some good time with your brother or sister. Half of the time you are going to spend your time with your brother or sister with while fighting, isn't it, ma? So each and every brother and sister, without fighting, without quarreling, they can't go through the situation, they can't go through that, they can't end their day. So how they quarrel, how, what are the situations make them quarrel, is really they are going to quarrel seriously? Let us see in the poem. The Quarrel. What is the name of a poem? The Quarrel. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel, but how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? So, it is quite common and natural for brothers and sisters. Quarreling is quite common, natural thing for brothers and sisters. But sometimes they don't know why they started that quarreling, and we can't come to one conclusion when these quarrels are going to end. But really they are going to end. How long such type of quarrels exist? Let's see now poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Yes, here the poet, she was saying about her experience with her brother. So she was narrating as the situation. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. I don't know the reason why I am quarreling with my brother. One thing leads to another. Means one small thing leads to do another thing. One small reason leads to another reason. One small fight leads to another fight. And somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The starting of our quarrel was really a silly thing. The reason for our quarreling was really a silly thing, was slight. The end of it was strong. But the end, it was really, the quarrel was really like a big storm. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So she was saying that she was explaining, I was started quarreling with my brother, but I don't know why I was quarreling with my brother. One thing leads to another, and somehow we felt out. The starting was, the reason was very quite different. The starting, it begins with a very silly reason, but it is going to end with like a storm. She was feeling that she was right, but her brother was feeling that he was right. This is the first stanza. Observe the rhyming words here, ma. Brother, another, about, out, slight, right, strong, wrong. In every alternative line, we found the rhyming words. We hated one another, of course. How much we are loving our siblings at the same time, when the time of quarreling, we used to hate them. We feel that why this boy is in our house in that way, and we hate them. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Yes, here thumped means, what is the meaning of thumped? Hit. Thumped me on the back. Hit me on the back. In this way. Thumped me on the back. And said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So we hated one each other. Finally, they started quarreling, and she thought that she don't know why, what is the reason for this quarreling. But one thing leads to another. Starting was really with a small petty issues. The quarreling started, but ending was like a storm, and they hated each other. The afternoon turned black. Here, turned black means to become unpleasant. It was totally bad. The afternoon was really bad. Then suddenly the poet's brother thumped back on the poet's back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong. Finally, her brother said that stop all this quarreling. We can't continue this fighting. We can't continue by this fighting throughout the night. So stop. I am feeling that I was wrong. But the poet was saying he was in the right. He was in the right. Understood, ma? First, she thought that she started this poem by saying that we both were quarreling. We means who here? Brother and sister. Sister was the poet here. She was narrating everything to us. So we started quarreling. So we don't know the reason for this quarreling, but with the silly reasons the quarreling started. But the end was really, it was like a big storm, and one thing leading us to another. I thought he was wrong, and they both hated each other. The afternoon was completely bad and unpleasant. So suddenly the poet's brother thumped her on the back and said, stop this nonsense. We can't continuously fight throughout the night. So stop this quarreling, stop this fighting. I think I was wrong. In that way, the poet's brother said. So finally, how the poet felt? Poet means here, or author. How she felt that yes, he was saying that he was wrong, so that's why he was right. In that way, poet concluded this silly poem, an interesting poem. Summary of the poem. The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began and ended without any reason. Not two brothers, brother and sisters, because our author was lady. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. Of course, at the beginning also I said that the poet have no idea about the reason why they are quarreling. One thing was giving way to another, and while fighting, both of them fell down. Initially it was small petty issue, but gradually it becomes serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas the hurt, he knew that he was wrong. Both of them didn't like one another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back and asked him to come along, as it is not possible or right to linger the issues throughout the night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side, so he was actually right. It shows his generosity. Though they were quarreling, though the brother and sister were quarreling, finally her sister was saying, my brother said that he was wrong. So I am saying he was right because he was saying that he was wrong. So this shows the generosity between the brother and sister. This is the poem about quarrel. And when we are learning about this poem, when you people are listening about this poem, for sure you many situations lingers in your mind regarding to the quarrels which you have with your brother or sister for silly reasons when parents are not in your home. Isn't it, ma? Yes. Let us see question and answers. With your partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases, and somehow we fell out. Here, we fell out means drop down. Finally, we drop down. Turned back, black. Afternoon, turned black. Turned black means something went bad and unpleasant, because in English literature every color have different significance and different meaning. In the same manner here, turned black means it is the situation was really bad and unpleasant. Read these lines from the poem. Discuss with your partner what these lines mean. So one thing led to another. What is the meaning of this line? Means one thing led to another means series of things were happening. One thing leading to another. One thing leading to another. The start of it was slide. Means starting was, and the quarrel begins with small pretty things petty things, very ignorable things. But the end it was strong means finally it became a big issue. See, the end it was strong means it became a big issue. The afternoon turned black means already we discussed that it was really unpleasant and bad afternoon. Thumped me on the back means hit me heavily on the back. These are the lines which gives the meaning of this. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister, or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? Of course, in this lockdown, you people may have different quarrels with your friends, or with your brothers, or with your sister, with your cousins, whom not. So, this is your question that you have to write your situation and you have to describe your recent quarrel and how the quarrel started. For what reason the quarrel about and how it did end. And for example, I may say one example. So generally the quarrel will happen between brother and sister because of a remote, TV remote, isn't it, ma? Yes, it will start in that way. What did you quarrel about? So how did it start means your brother was willing to see any cricket or some movies. You are interested to listen some songs. So in that way the quarrel started only because of remote. The reason was remote. And how did it end? Finally mother or father, someone will come to us, someone, they will make a school, they will compromise, we have to compromise. Little elder brother, no, you have to compromise, or a younger brother, no, small boy, no, little boy, no, you have to compromise. In that way parents come to us and parents finally they'll make us cool. Finally the quarrel will be end. So in this way you may have different quarrels with your friends or with your brothers or with your sisters. You have to write one quarrel, how did it start and what did you quarrel about, how did it end. These three situations you have to describe. So once again I'll recall the poem. Quarrel was written by Furjan. So she was children's poet, she was a British writer. She was explaining her relationship between her brother and her. She said that they both were quarreling, they both were started quarreling. So one thing leads to another. So the starting was really, it was a silly reason and petty reason, but the end becomes really dangerous. Gradually it improves a dangerous way. And suddenly they hated each other. So finally it was afternoon. So and brother come to her and he said that I was not interested to continue our quarreling until night. So let us be cool. In that way I was wrong. In that way the brother said finally she agreed that, and she said he was right. So this shows the generosity. In that way the poem ends the quarrel. I hope you understood this poem. Thank you. Hari Om.